I'll show you how to make a non-smart TV into a smart TV. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
You may find that you've got an old TV or a non-smart TV, and so that means you can't do things like download apps on it, you can't go and stream shows, or just, use the internet on it. But don't worry, there is a cheap solution for this, and this is by getting a TV stick. So there's many different types of TV sticks out there. The one I personally use is called an Amazon Fire TV stick. It's made by Amazon, and this is what it is. So literally, this just goes and plugs into your TV. As you can see, it's got an HDMI port on it. The other end then plugs into the wall or just a USB power source. And then we've gone and got a remote. So literally we can go and turn our TV into a smart TV. I'm going to go and put a link to Amazon for this product in the description and the comments. This will be an affiliate link which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. So now I'll show you how you can go and set this up quickly. So as I said, it literally just goes and plugs into an HDMI port. And if you've got like HDMI ports and you've got something next to your TV, then you can always go and use a dongle. So if you've got like a wall behind your TV, you can use a dongle. But yeah, you literally just go and plug it in. Once you've plugged your TV stick into your TV, we'll then need to go and plug the power cable in. So that's going to go underneath it. And then what you need to do is plug the other end into power. So what it's going to be is this plug and wire will be separate. So if your TV's got a USB port on the back, you can always power it using your TV. However, I just plug mine into the wall. Once you've connected everything up, then what you'll need to do is go onto your remote and you'll need to go and tap on source just like this, and then you need to go and choose the source you plugged it into. So in my case, I plugged it into HDMI 2. I'll then select that there, and then your Fire Stick should be there. So when you first plug it in, you will have to configure it. It's pretty simple though, and we've actually got a full guide on that. But yeah, then as you can see, I can then use the Fire Stick remote, and I can use apps like BBC iPlayer if in the UK, or in the US you can have other apps. We've got Netflix as well, Prime Video, all these awesome apps, and you just literally use the remote to navigate around. And also you can go and get more apps as well by going to the App Store on the homepage, and yeah, you can then go and get more apps. So if you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.